I'm going to show you how to remove the steering wheel from a 95 Corolla L Touring. First, we turn the steering until you see a slot, and we take a flat screwdriver and push back a piece of iron. What this do, it releases the center console, which is the iron. So what we'll do, we'll kind of tug onto it until it's removed. So after removing it, you will see everything, and we're going to go ahead and we remove the nut so we can get the steering wheel off. We're going to show you again where the slot is that you use to remove the center piece. So you use a flathead screwdriver and push that back, and it will release the iron section. So what we do, we use the lug tool, which you can also use a 19 socket with a ratchet hanger to remove it. So let's go ahead and move it now. So we select the right one, which will be the 19, and we spin it to the left anti-clockwise. What you need to do is to straighten the steering and hold it with your knee so it won't move. So you spin it anti-clockwise until it's completely loosened. So after doing that, you just pull. You kind of rock it to the left and right and pull it towards you. And that's how you get to remove the steering.